Remove it, remove it, remove it.
Good na. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Good afternoon. At dahil nga lumabas ngayon si Daddy, nagpunta sa Grand Emirates, kaya ito. Actually, hindi na siya nag-expect ng cake. Kaya, ayun. Sinundo ko si Dior. Sakto umalis siya. Nag-work from home siya ngayon kaya wala akong magawang surprise sa kanya. Ito, dadaan kami dito sa Al Sultan Bakery. Bibili ako ng cake. Yan. Kailangan namin magmadali dahil nga baka bumalik na siya sa bahay. Oh, what's that? Can you choose? Which cake? That one? Okay. Ito na guys, nakabili na kami ng cake at nandito na ngayon dalawa from school. Yan. Pauwi na kami sa bahay. Sana wala pa si Daddy. Munti ka na kaming mahuli doon. Pag-akit namin dumating bigla si Daddy. Inaantay daw niya kami. Buti na lang iniwan ko yung cake doon sa may security guard. Kaya hindi niya nakita. Tapos ngayon, bumalik na ako. Sabi ko, naiwan ko yung baunan ni Dior doon sa baba. Kaya yun, kukunin ko na ngayon. Okay, here you go. I'll get the cake now. So ito na siya. Nakakapon. Ngayon naman is hindi ko alam paano kung sabayin sa iyo. Nasa loob na sila ng bahay. Siguro may house ko na lang siya. So, may letter pa sa iyo. Oh, happy birthday, monkey. Ito yung cake. Tapos may message ko si AL na lumabas. Okay. Ayan. Let's go. Ayan na. So, tinawagan ko na sa iyan. Lalabas na sila. Minessage ko pala. Sabi ko, go outside you and Dior. Habang busy Daddy nila. Ito na. Ito na guys. Tagal ni AL. Sabi niya kasi wait lang daw kasi nga daw may kausap pa daw si Daddy sa cellphone. Work from home kasi siya today. Kaya, ayun. Tagal. Dito lang ako sa labas. Nag-aantay. Oh, no, don't close that door. Wala ka there. Oh. Let's go. Oh, you're ano. So people. Good na.
Remove it, remove it, remove it.
Good na. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Surprise! Wow!
Happy birthday to you.
Make a wish. Daddy, I miss.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Oh, you wish Daddy. Happy birthday.
No!
Ay. May message si Dior AL sa'yo. Happy birthday, ugly monkey.
Wow!
Wow.
Thank you, ate!
Daddy! Daddy!
So, hindi mo talaga naramdaman na bumila ko ng cake?
Hindi ka lang, mayroon pa.
Wala kang na-feel na may surprise? Ha?
Ibigin na kayo dito.
Dior, what is your message to Daddy?
Happy birthday, Daddy. I love.
What about you? What is your message to Daddy?
Happy.
Okay guys, take picture with Daddy.
Yung ano, hold that one.
Happy birthday, Daddy. Happy birthday, Daddy!
Happy birthday, ugly monkey.
Happy birthday!
Thank you!
Guys, look at Ayel's greetings to Daddy. The day I was born, you've always... Oh.
Read loud, louder.
And thank you for teaching me about Jesus and how He saved the world from our sins and praying
Wow.
for us was correct. And
So ayun, hanggang dito na lang ulit. At mamaya ulit mag-celebrate pa kami mamayang gabi. So time check is 12:45 ng tanghali. So hanggang dito na lang. Thank you for watching. Bye. Happy birthday, Daddy! Again.